22 SP Grom. Let's build some shit.
The new mascot of Tropical Garage.
Is that your grandma's vest?
Alright guys, so this is the 22 SP Grom. Yeah, like I said, it was stripped. Basically, it's a mess right now, but I'm going to document it, putting it back together for the rally this year. Try to document everything, and hopefully it'll turn out nice, and I hope to paint it and everything and make it pretty cool. If you're coming to the rally, see you guys there. Triangle Mini Moto from North Carolina will be there every year. Shout out to Matt and Tiffany, and everybody does, you know, everything for us at the rally. So anyway, if you're into small bore stuff, Mini Moto, consider subscribing, and just let's build some shit. Quick look at the bike. This is basically the color that it was. I'll drop a picture here in a second, what it looked like. Anyway, I got a bunch of stuff for this bike. Basically, this is a mock-up motor mount that I had off a non-SP model Grom 300. So I currently have a new motor mount kit that I'm going to install. Different front forks, suspension, brakes, swing arm, rear shock. But yeah, try to get it done for the rally. Surprise guest in the house, Adrian Hartsfield, Mr. Black Ice.
Yes, sir.
He's going to give me a hand tonight. We're back on the 22 Grom. We're going to get this motor adapter motor mount kit off because it doesn't fit the SP Groms. I do have a kit that I have from Steady Garage that is a direct bolt on to this tab here. So we're going to use that, and we'll get to it. What do you think?
I like it.
Look who it is, old Robbie. He's not really been helping with this project because he's anti-Grom project.
Camera set up so you can see the fireballs.
I'm only gonna do this for a second. This is not normally how I do things.
All right, he's using. Hopefully my wiring job is good. If not, that's gonna suck.
All right, so should I fuel? Well, I remember I connected the main power over here.
Oh, I was like, no,
I didn't touch anything yet. I just remember that. I gotta get this. All right, so we got the wiring fixed. His fuel pumps are cut on. It does. Now, if the wiring is correct,
I hope it's right.
It should start.
That sounds horrible. Chopper.
But we got it, so we know it's Gucci.
Yep. Cool. You said it's the worst time to paint?
Yeah, I can see the
So-
pollen side, don't you?
So what are we doing today?
Fucking up shit. Hopefully the pollen don't fuck up everything bad.
Yeah, so we're back. Or,
Definitely not as bad here as it is in Raleigh, though.
no, it's really bad out
You
there.
can look at the cars in the parking lot and see that.
Yeah. Look at this shit. Ugh. Tree semen everywhere, dude. Ugh, gross. Even Nick's car being white. God, dog. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but Jesus. It's pretty brutal. So Nick's back again. I'm with him this time. We're repainting these side panels on his bike. Because why?
Because it has imperfections in the plastic. Not really for the paint, but just stuff that bothered me. And plastics are so cheap. I just bought new plastic. So I already cut the hole in there.
The little intake tube.
Yeah, it may not look good, but it works perfect.
No, I think it looks all right. I think it looks cool with it sticking outside. And I'm just calling you my brother-in-law because it's easier. We got Dylan with us today, my brother-in-law.
He's talking like he knows what he's doing, but
He doesn't. All right, I like you. You're on the channel permanently. So yeah, we're gonna get to scuffing, or they're gonna scuff, and I'm gonna watch. And then I don't really do anything while I'm here.
we'll do all the work. Don't worry about it.
Yes. All right, we'll get to scuffing. What?
Typical stuff.
All right. Anyway, cut.
At least I got one person that helps this time. Normally I have fucking myself and two dumbasses with me.
You sit on a throne of lies.
You sit on a throne of lies.
The new mascot of Tropic Garage. Andrew's new puppy. What's her name, dude?
I think her girl is Winnie.
Winnie. I think she likes Nick.
She's so sweet.
That ball's as big as her head. You're so freaking cute.
Do what?
Just get on the top of the hill, walk by the bike shop, and just go.
Oh my god, bro.
Dude, he's got more hair on his tits than he does on his underarms.
That, dude,
Chill, dude.
looks like a vest you wear to work with a button up underneath it, and then you got on champion
Yeah, if you're Mr.
short.
Rogers.
Are those cut off sweats?
Yes.
Oh my god, I didn't even realize they were cut off.
I don't like that though.
Dude.
Dude, your boxers match your hat, but nothing else.
He's trying to rock it so hard. Too.
Dude, I'm just leave being me, dude.
Just living your
Do
best
you,
life.
bro, as long as you're happy.
You're atrocious looking.
Like he's a model.
Mom, I said, I ain't got no clothes here. I said, it's the only thing I had there because I slept in these. I was like, I said, where were my shoes? She said, I got this vest.
Oh my god.
I was
Is
like,
that your
oh.
grandma's vest?
No, this is
It's his grandma's vest.
You're wearing grandma's vest, dude.
It's not.
Dude, don't stretch
It
it
is
out,
now.
man. It's yours now, for sure.
She said,
Yeah.
she said,
She don't want it
She
back.
said, you gonna wear that over there? I said, yes. She's like, I'm gonna have to hand wash it.
What the fuck, man? We can't take you anywhere.
It's far out, dude. Live in Asheville.
Yeah, you dress like you live in Asheville. Asheville, Carborough. You went from Carborough to Asheville? Asheville.
Here you go, buddy.
Learned you something new today? There you go. You got it. Holy shit. That worked good. The first time you ever done that, huh?
Yeah, dude, that's cool.
Old bucks had to teach the young buck a new trick, huh? That was a good one.
You can teach her to hunt down the moles in your yard.
My dogs do that. Cats too.
It's a deer.
How about them chicken wings though?
Alright.
Oh, okay. Pop you off. Oh, all right. Throwing stuff. Damn. What do you think?
Smack him.
Let me see that. Look at the steam coming off that bitch.
Good as fuck. Pretty successful day, actually, man. Pretty stoked.
Thanks for your help, Dylan.
No problem.
We got
I'm
Dylan
always
back
here.
there, help us get the stuff ready.
Yeah.
We got Robbie cooking some good wings. Had my brother come over. A couple OG homies, Kaya and Trey. Shout out to Trey and Kaya for coming by. My brother Chris came by with his dogs. Andrew brought his puppy over. It was a good fucking day. So.
Yeah, it was a really good day. And we're
Couldn't
not
ask
getting
for a
old.
better Sunday. I wanted to get back home early, but after, just
It's only 5
hanging out with
o'clock.
everybody and shit, it was a good vibe, man. I told Dylan I helped him get his wheels powder coated and everything.
Yeah. Dylan got a Camaro. It'll probably be on the channel soon once we start.
Dylan, that
tinkering
shit ain't
with it.
hitting like the cedar nut is.
I don't think so.
All right. Cue the time lapse and the cool scenery shots on the way home. Fed's always lurking. Portrait mode. Nick's over here having a photo shoot.
Hell yeah. You know why? Because I built it, man.
So yeah, that's pretty much what it's going to look like, minus a few odds and ends in the bars, obviously. I guess maybe the next clip will be us just pulling it out with it chopping, running, hopefully. What do you think, buddy?
Okay. Just button
Okay,
it up.
bye. Just button it up. Okay, bye.